That is it, right? Probably the most important. This is the meat of everything. This is the meat of everything, okay? So once you figure it out, and also remember, like, because when you take peptides, you take synthetics, the GLP-1s, the different androgenic hormones and whatever blockers, like all that chemistry stuff, the pharmaceuticals, the pharmaceutical nerds can tell you all about that stuff. What that does to a young man's mind and brain when it hasn't fully developed, if you're still under 25, your frontal lobe hasn't fully developed. These synthetics can ruin your brain development, can ruin your perceptions. They can give you a false sense of confidence. Because some of that energy that you feel, you're like, oh, I can go, yeah, look good, I'm frame mogging, oh, yeah, I'm hair mogging, oh, yeah. All of that stuff goes away. Boom, it's fake. It's fake news, fake confidence. So don't listen to it. It's just fake. It's synthetic, right? Because it's synthetic. It's fake. So keep that in mind. So now we've covered that for confidence. So you're addressing your mind. And yeah, because at the end of the day, the mind is the most important. The dressing, the outward appearance gets you in the door. But for you to stay in, it's about what's in here. It's about how you communicate. That's what keeps you in. That's what keeps you in. That's what these guys that are all over the internet are not telling you. Because it also takes work. And you guys probably hate doing the work. So they're selling you the easy way. There's no easy way. Lots of people have tried. You can't run away from it. You think thousands of years, like all of a sudden Clavicular just found out this crazy magic formula and people haven't been talking about this stuff all this time because what? Huh? Look more into that guy and you'll see that, you know, what he's selling is not the thing. And I'm sure like there've been communities about Looksmaxing and stuff online. I'm not saying he's the guy who came out with everything. He just took it mainstream, right? But the fundamentals still remain the same. It's the hard work right here. What's in here? This is the work that needs to be done. Because even if you hear this, don't be that person who hears this video and doesn't take action, because you have to go out and do this stuff. Because it's not good to just listen and just hear it and just sit there. You better be taking your notes, or you come back to this video and you listen to it again. And you keep on listening to it again as you do this. Because you have to. So you see this? I'm selling you on this idea of coming back to the video. Right? So you have to do this, right? I'm selling you, and yes, you should come back. Watch it, share it, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So that's my sales pitch for that part. It's done for the day. But we're still moving on, right? We still have more stuff to cover here. So as we keep going here, so you have your mind, you're reading books, you're going out, you're having experiences. Let's see, what other experiences did I have? Did I cover everything? Because I remember, yeah, I went skydiving. Where's my skydiving? Oh yeah, this was it. Another experience. Boom. So I can talk to someone about skydiving. I can talk to someone about painting. I can talk to someone about, I don't know, Victoria Falls mountains. I can talk to someone about business. I can talk to someone about, yeah, bodybuilding, different things. I can talk to someone about, I don't know, so much. I can talk about diet, nutrition, faith, all the things, right? Because I've put myself out there. I continuously put myself out there to experience things and go out there. And these are things that, as a young person, or someone who's growing up, and even if you're much older too, I still recommend to live life to the fullest. Put yourself out there and go out. If you have a partner, if you have kids, do it with them. Take them out to these experiences so that they have these experiences. And they gain the confidence naturally through experiences, through family, and environments that are safe, not for them to go out and smash their faces and try gain confidence that way. Like, take your families, take your kids, take your spouse, take your grandkids. Let them enjoy these experiences and gain confidence in the real world. And buy them books, buy them things that can help them understand the world and have them build confidence. Their mind, invest in their mind, because some of these kids, the teens, are being exposed to some of this content, and most parents, some of them don't even know. They just see their kid is just blown up, is just taking steroids, is like looking jacked, or they're getting butt lifts, or they're getting injections in their lips, and they're doing so many crazy things, or they're telling you that they want to take Ozempic, or they're like, oh yeah, I don't want to eat today. Maybe their eating pattern has changed. Maybe they're taking like GLP-1 drugs. Maybe they're getting this tan in winter that you're like, how's my kid getting tan in winter? There's no sun. And they haven't gone to like a tanning lab or like a tanning studio. How are they doing this? So those are the questions to ask. Pick out and pinpoint what your kids might be or your grandkids might be exposed to. So these are things that you have to pay attention to. So if they haven't watched this video, make sure you share it with them so that they understand that they can do this without all of these drugs. Yes, it's going to take some time. They have to do the work because other people ahead of them have already done the work. Other people ahead of them have done the work. Okay. So we've covered that. Okay, so communication, important, public speaking, spend some time on the mind, because I cannot emphasize again, like, if you have to come back to this portion about the mind.